Welcome this video. Elevate rustic gardening bed on a budget. Create an elevate rustic gardening bed is a fantastic way to growing your vegetable, herb or flower if you have limited space, mobile science or poor quality. And the best part, you do need space for fun train to build on with some created base tool and smart budget. You can build a beauty and functional elevate gardening build that up your space and style. Benefit of elevate rustic gardening bed before divide into the less look at away elevate rustic gardening bed are so popular inspire salt brink of king patrolling and weight controlling less growing due to warm aesthetic or patio become and backyard. Now let's explore or created your elevate rustic gardening bed without break the bank. Need material. You do have to use explore numbering for fiber. Here are some affordable material you need. Climax, wood, pallet, old functional, fiber, furniture, conclusion, stone bring and created, hub and ore, basic tool, warm, less, type main of those image you can train at location, yard, marketplace, step by step gardening, elevate rustic gardening bed, choose the location, pick a supported with at later 6 to 8 hours for sun light per day. Mark sub its fly have good and its close water skirt. Consider post need your kitchen or patio as the hub vegetable. Plants enduring. Type elevate bed area range 3 to 2 square height, 3 to 4 height, length. Those allow easy access for all sides. Windows supported on the side. Adjust the height based on